The figure is made up of two rectangles, okay, ABHF, FGDE, and two right angle isosceles triangle. This is the keyword. Isosceles triangle, BCH, okay, BCH, and then DCG. So these are right angle, and then they say isosceles, so this must be the isosceles part, okay? So this and this, okay. I use different color so that y'all can see better with the isosceles triangle. So I'm going to use purple to go over it. So this is another isosceles triangle that you will see. The length of AE in terms of X. Okay, let's find out where's AE. AE is from here to here. Okay, and then this is 12. Okay, a lot of students mistaken this, right, as a square. Some students tell me that this is X equals to 12. No, okay, they said that it's rectangles already. So please don't, okay, use your eyes and say, oh, it looks like a square. No, and or use your ruler to measure. Oh, actually, maybe they are about the same. No, cannot. Okay, so let me go on to AE. So this part here, we know it's going to be X. So I just need to find FE. How? So if you look carefully, FE is the same as DG. DG is the same as CG. So now, can we look closely to this part here? This part that is here, GH. If you see carefully, right, this is 8. And then, to connect to here, this entire thing is 12 cm. So this part that is shown here, GH, is actually 4 cm. So if this is 4, and we know that CH is X, we can take X plus 4 cm is the length of CG, which is the length of GD. So GD is equals to 4 plus X, or X plus 4. Then that means that GD is X plus 4, means that FE is also X plus 4. So how to find AE is when you take X plus 4 equals to 2X plus 4. Give your answer in the simplest form. So this is the simplest form already. So it will be 2X plus 4. When you put cm, one thing you need to know is that this whole thing is cm. So put a bracket and put cm. Okay, remember the bracket. If not, they will minus marks again. Now, find the total area of the figure when X equals to 14. Okay, to find the total area of the figure, okay, there are two ways. Okay, one way is that some students went to make this right into one whole rectangle. So I'll show you. They went to connect all these parts. Okay. So, okay, let me try to draw as clean as possible. So they went to make it into one big rectangle. They find this triangle and find this triangle. They subtract away them. Okay. They get the answer. Or some students went to do this. They find, okay, first triangle, second triangle, third rectangle, and the fourth rectangle. So whichever way you did, okay, so you should be getting this answer, 572 square centimeters. So what I'm going to do now, okay, I'm going to show you, okay, both methods very quickly. I want to know, right, can you just type in the chat? I want to know who did method 1, which is to find the whole rectangle here. Okay, so AE we already know is 2X plus 4, which is the same as 22 times 14 plus 4, which is the same as 32. And then for this part, I know this is X. So X plus 12 will be 26. Yeah. So I want to know who did it by method 1, whereby you find the big rectangle. So 32 cm times 26 cm. Okay. You get the whole entire 32 times 26, 832 square centimeters. Then you find the first triangle. Okay, so triangle 1, okay, what you found was half times 14 cm times 14 cm. This will give you 98. Then triangle number 2 is half times x plus 4 means is 18 cm times 18 cm. Then you'll get 162 square centimeters. Okay, then after that, 832 square centimeters minus 98 minus 162. Okay, if you do this, minus 98 minus 162, you also get 570. So, anybody did this method? Just curious. Okay, I see that Alex did method 2. Okay, then the rest, no response means also method 2, maybe. Okay, most of you did method 2, which is the most straightforward. Okay, so triangle BCH is half times 14. Okay, half times 14 times 14. It will give you 98 square centimeters. Then triangle, next triangle is CGD is half times 18 times 18 is 162. Then rectangle ABHF is 12 cm times 14 cm is 168. Last but not least, the next rectangle is GDEF is 8 cm times x plus 4, which is 18 cm. So this will give you 144. So I can add everything up. Total area will be 98 plus 162 plus 168, okay, plus 144. That will give you the total of 572 square centimeters as well. So I see, okay, most people did the second method. If you ask me which method is more efficient or effective, of course, the first method, you don't deal with so many equations because you only find the whole thing minus 1 and 2. But for the second one, although you need to find 1, 2, 3, 4, but okay, you have to add up everything. With a calculator, it's not that bad. So if you can see method 1, of course you can do method 1. If you can't, then method 2, just make sure you don't make any calculation error. Okay, so move on.